Hello everyone, welcome back to SPECTRACS, and today we're going to see the practicals project or the mini project for grade 11 and 12. Here, this is one of the mini projects which I had created for my school, and what I had done is a airplane booking system. So I have used some of the models which I've used is Tiki Inter, which is used for the front end to make it look appealing. Then we have used CSV for saving the data in the Excel sheets, and we have used date and time for getting the date and time which is required, and we have also used the random module here for some of the purposes. First, let me show you the output of my project. The output has come over here, which is looking like this. So this is called as Navigo. So let us say this, the name over here goes as Navigo. This is like the book tickets, e-boarding pass, immigration, baggage pass, payment, and exit. And this is the logo over here. So as you can see, there's a separate panel for admin. So let me say let's book tickets. Trivago. And if you go here, we have a drop down style box over here. So we can select whatever destination which is available from here. So let us say Dubai, and you gotta enter your passport number over here. So for just the sake of video, I'm just gonna enter it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And once you confirm your destination, okay, we need to pick your airlines, which is for a day for the. So let me select Indigo, and I have already set a cost for per seat. So it is just gonna calculate for the number of seats and let you know over here. So this is 9,000. Here you have added dollars. You can change it into rupees if you would like to, and you can change the price of per seat also. And when you save this booking, the data which is over here will go and get saved to a CSV file for you to look back into the later. So after saving the booking, we have got to exit. Now after that, download a e-boarding pass. We can place this. The name which you have entered in the book ticket button has to match over here. So let us say Trivago, and okay. So my passport number was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Let us give it as okay, and as you can see, it is in my downloads folder over here. So let me open my downloads folder and find that. So as you can see, this is my boarding pass. Here the passenger name will come, and from will be from Bangalore to the destination which you have selected, and all of this, the flight number, seat number is all randomly generated. So based on what airline you select, the boarding pass will be over here. Now let us see the immigration. So immigration is a process where it is required for you to apply when you go abroad. So you just gotta match Trivago 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and you can choose your gender over here and your nationality, which is India. And you gotta enter today's date perfectly, otherwise this is gonna not going to accept. So first is date, followed by month, followed by the year, and our place of visit was Dubai. So let it be that. So when all of these details match, it will show e-immigration is successful. Otherwise, it will show a pop-up saying that this error in our input. So we got something called as the immigration brochure, which is also in our downloads folder. Now let's check it out. So as you can see, this is our immigration brochure, the status. Now you can close this window over here. Then to get the baggage pass, you can again you have to match your name, which is Trivago, and our passport number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Enter, and our baggage pass is also downloaded in our downloads folder. So as you can see over here, so this is our baggage tag. So based on each and every airline, a different baggage tag with its logo and the design appears over here, with all your details, the name, flight number, gate, and etc. At last, if you want, we can do the payment over here. So to get the payment details, you can enter the name, passport, and you can get the cost over here. So later you can enter your card number, card holder's name, expiry date, and CVV. So after you press the process payment, in real life, in this program, it doesn't happen because this is just a school project. But you can integrate with the payment gateway too. data. When you click the exit, the program automatically closes. So over here, as you can see, this is the admin panel which I have created. So the username should be admin and the password is 12345. Now let us see the admin panel too. So let us go to the admin login. So username is admin and our password is 12345. Then we gotta click check credentials. And if your credentials is right, it is gonna open a window. So as you can see, it allows us to see some data. Now let us say if you want to modify some details of your passengers. So let me enter 2 and let me enter the passport number as 4567890. And to modify the passenger name or the airline or the number of passengers, anything can be done over here. This is the admins panel. So you can actually get this project through my GitHub link. So I will be pasting the GitHub link in the description below. So where you have to go is after you go into the image folders, all the data will be stored in this. So as you can see, this is the boarding pass. So all the details which we have entered will be stored in the CSV format. All your bookings will be over here. Then if you have entered any like what to say credit card details, so based on every airlines the designs will be over here. So based on what airline you select, the details will be filled through the program. Otherwise otherwise for each and every airline there's gonna be images like this created in beforehand. As you can see, you can download the files over here going through code, and you can download a zip file from here. So after downloading the zip file, you get all of these things. So from there, you can go inside image, go to updated main project updated. So this is the file you get, and all other images which is required for the program is all inside this folder. Do not change anything, and everything will work properly if you don't change the image positions or delete some of the images. Check it out, see where you want to make changes or something. Yeah, it's up to you. But it is gonna have the documentation. So as you can see, this is the documentation. So it is gonna have acknowledgement, abstract, and everything. So it is gonna be easier for you guys to do it. Here I have mentioned that I've used SQL, and if you don't want and it is not necessary in your school to use SQL, you can remove that part alone. Otherwise, if it is necessary, there's a separate file called uh, updated project alone, and in that SQL is being connected, in where you can have the login system to that. So in this, basically, it has the inputs, outputs, and etc. So this has all the data which is like required. This is of almost 73 pages. So as you can see, this is the data. This is the code which have been pasted in this, and then we also have the output. So see, you can remove this page because this is requiring SQL to do this. So if you don't want SQL, you can just remove that page alone, and the rest is the same which I have showed you. So it's like that, and this is the payment details which I told you, and the payment details to get saved to show as an output. So everything is over here, and this document will also be added as a link in the description box.